Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I am Zainab. I am teaching in Divisional Public School and Intercollege Sahiwal. Today I am here with another lesson of Social Studies for class 5. Dear students, by the end of this lesson, you all will be able to solve the exercise of taught unit geography, learn the important terms and content through assessment activities, and finally evaluate the learning development before upcoming feedback session. Dear students, here are some questions from your taught content of the lesson. The first question is, tell the names of the continents of the world. Yes, you all know well that the large land areas of the world are called continents. And the names of the continents of the world are Asia, North America, South America, Africa, Australia, Europe, and Antarctica. The next question is, what is the difference between the equator and the prime meridian? Dear students, equator is a 0-degree line of latitude which divides the earth into two equal parts, whereas prime meridian is a 0-degree line of longitude that joins the North Pole to the South Pole. Question number 3 is, which are the main elements of the map? There are 6 main elements of the map, like directions, title, scale, latitude and longitude, signs, and key. Now we will discuss the exercise related the unit geography. And the first question is, fill in the blanks. The first statement is, the total area of Pakistan is dash. And the answer is, the total area of Pakistan is 7,96,096 square kilometer. The next is, there are total dash latitudes, and the answer is, there are total 180 latitudes. The next statement is, there are total dash longitudes. The answer is, there are total 360 longitudes. Statement number 4 is, the total population of Pakistan is dash. Yes, the answer is, the total population of Pakistan is 205 million. Statement number 5 is, the tropical region is located on both sides of equator and in between the dash and the Tropic of Capricorn. And the answer is Tropic of Cancer. The next question from the exercise is based on true or false. Students, look at these statements very carefully and identify the statement is either true or false. And the first statement is, the line located at 23.5 degrees in the north of equator is called the Tropic of Cancer. Yes, this statement is true. The next is, there are 360 degrees in longitudes. Yes, this statement is also true. The statement number 3 is, we receive cold from the sun. This statement is false because we all know well that the sun is the natural source of heat and energy. The next statement is the lines of longitude are estimated with the city of Birmingham. This statement is false because the lines of longitude are estimated with the city of England, that is Greenwich. And the statement number 5 is the line of equator has 0 degree. This statement is true because the 0 degree line of latitude, which divides the earth into two equal parts, is called equator. Now we will move towards the assessment activities, and the first assessment activities is regarding about the identification of the important lines of latitude with the reference to the equator. And the first statement is the parallel lines drawn from east to west. Yes, the parallel lines drawn from east to west are called latitudes. And the next one is the vertical lines drawn on the globe from north to south. These are called longitudes. The next is it is located at 23.5 degrees in the south of equator. Yes, this is called Tropic of Capricorn. Number 4 is it is located at 66.5 degrees in the north of the equator. Yes, this line is called Arctic Circle. And the number 5 is it is located at 66.5 degrees in the south of the equator. Yes, this line is called Antarctic Circle. The next assessment activity is you will have to choose the correct options. And each statement has been followed by the two options, and the students you will have to identify the correct one. The 0 degree vertical line that passes through the Greenwich city of England is called. The options are equator or prime meridian, and the answer is prime meridian. With reference to longitude, the world time is divided into time zones. How many time zones are there? And the options are 12 or 24. The answer is 24. Number 3, this country is located in the northwest and the west of South Asia. The options are Turkey, Pakistan, and the answer is Pakistan is located in the northwest and the west of South Asia. Number 4 is Iran and Afghanistan are located in this direction of Pakistan. The options are east and west. But the answer is Iran and Afghanistan are located in the west of Pakistan. The International Standard Time is taken according to the calendar or Greenwich. Yes, the International Standard Time is taken according to the Greenwich. The planned drawing of a part or whole of the earth on a piece of paper is called. Here are two options, model or map. Yes, the correct answer is map. The next activity is about question answer. And the first question is describe the directions of Pakistan's neighboring countries. Dear students, you know well that Pakistan shares its border with 4 neighboring countries. India is located in the east of Pakistan. Iran and Afghanistan are situated in the west of Pakistan. And finally, China is to the north of Pakistan, and which is Which sea is located in the south of Pakistan? Yes, Arabian Sea is situated in the south of Pakistan. And the next question is, define the geographical term continents and which is the largest continent of the world. The major land areas of the world are called continent, and Asia is the largest continent of the world, and Pakistan